Before working with Indigo Health, my life was up and down. I had a series of symptoms that would impact my daily life, mostly my happiness, from everything from gut issues to dizziness to hair loss and acne, and it was a struggle. I looked on the internet and found Indigo, and it was pretty much an instant knowing that this was the right place. And after reading more about the clinic and then eventually talking to Dr. Sharkar, that was absolutely validated. If there was anything that would have prevented me from getting started with Indigo, certainly was the financial investment, as well as the time I knew it would take to get well. It was an investment in my health and in our family's future, but it was very much worth it. My health has changed significantly since working with Indigo. Not only do I get to walk the earth without feeling woozy constantly, without having pain in my abdomen, without feeling bloated and overly full after every meal, despite how little I was eating. Most importantly to me is that I was able to have a healthy pregnancy, which was really important to me. I had a healthy delivery. I have a healthy 1.5-year-old, and I had a really great postpartum experience as well. And I attribute that very much to Indigo. What makes Indigo different than other clinics and doctors that I've gone to in the past is their absolute care for me as a person. There was a call that I had with Dr. Sharkar right after my son was born. I had tears in my eyes. And she was concerned and she said, "Are you okay?" And I said, No, these are tears of gratitude. I have never experienced such care and investment in me and my family than I have from Dr. Sharkar and the Indigo team. What surprised me the most about Indigo Health was honestly how well I am. I had become so jaded and disheartened with the medical treatment I had received in the past, and was pretty much settling that I was going to have these symptoms, that I was going to feel a certain way and maybe never feel completely normal. And I have never felt better in my life. I would absolutely recommend Indigo Health to a friend, and I have to several. If you're looking for a really curated medical experience and a partner in the process, Indigo Health is the best I've experienced. I started working with Indigo during the COVID-19 pandemic, so all of my initial appointments were virtual, but then I started to go into the clinic to receive some IV therapy, and I was so quickly embraced. That's the word that comes to mind, is that the staff, from Dr. Sharkar to Sarah, the office manager, and everyone else, I just felt cared for. It felt like a really safe, supportive place to support me through my health quest. Katherine, Washington, D.C.